In today's session, I will explain you a very important feature of ADF, that is nothing but list of values. So here there is a list. Yeah, you need to select it. For example, tourist type, single or family. You need to select. For gender, male and female, and for two types, self or package. So if you want to add a new record here, these three list of values are appearing by default. See here, tourist type, gender, and two type. You can enter the tourist ID, for example 8. Tourist type, family. Here two type, for example self. Tourist start date to maybe 15th. Place of registration, Hyderabad, and to registration date is today's date. Here okay, we will take the example and enter 12 slash 30 slash 1985. Okay, now save the record. So this is the thing we need for our application. So I will explain you in JDeveloper. Let's close the previous application and let's create a new application. New application, ADF Fusion web application. For example, application is tourist personal information. So click next. Model and view controller project, it will create. Finish. Now we have to create the business components. Go to model, new business components from tables. Select the connection, tourism connection. Click OK, and here query. Select the tables, tourist personal information, tourist manager, days of stay, hotel information, train information, airlines information, then hotel confirmation, trains confirmation, and airlines confirmation. So we need in this in the package EO, and next we need all these tables, and we will keep this in the view object view. Then click next. You can create in the separate folder model.am or keep it as like this. Click next, and then finish. You can see here it is creating the model.eo, model.vo and the application module. So let's save this. You can see in the data control it appears all the tables. So what we have to do, we need to create the static view object for the three fields. So what we have to do is go to the model.vo, select new. Remember these steps when you are creating the list of values. First we need to create the static view object, then we need the LOV. Here new view object, let's keep this in the separate folder, STAT static view object. Our view object name is tourist type, first one, and select the data source as static list. Click next, click on new button. Here tourist type, it is of type string. Click OK, select next, click on the key attribute, next. Here in tourist type you require two things. One is whether the tourist is single or with family. Click OK, next, finish. Now we need this static view object in the tourist personal information view. Go to the attributes. Oh, okay, all primary keys it is showing. First go to the model.eo for tourist personal information and select the attributes and remove all these keys. Here primary key, remove this. By default JDeveloper is creating all these primary keys. So you need to remove one by one except one primary key. Each table should have at least one primary key. Okay, now save this, just close and again model.vo. Now it removed all primary keys. So here go to the tourist type. Just now we have created the static view object. Now here there is a list of values tab. Click on the plus button. Here you need to select the data source. Select this model.static view object tourist type. Click OK. Here list attribute is tourist type. View in the view object the name is tourist type, in the list object in the list attribute tourist type. We map these two with the view object. Here hence we need this column tourist type. Click OK. The default type is choice list. Here you can select combo box with list of values, it depends. Here we created one. Now we need to create for static view object new, select view object, name gender, it is of type static list. Click next, click on the attribute, name as gender, it is of type string. Click OK, click next, key attribute, next. Here we need the values for gender, male and female. Click next and finish. Now go to the tourist personal information view object, and here as same how we did for the tourist type, we need for the gender. Go to the list of values tab, click the plus button. Here you need to select the from which view object it is coming, static view object gender. Here click OK. Here gender, we map these two UI hints. Display attribute should be, while in the running in the browser we need gender as a column. So here the default list type is choice list. Click OK. Okay, this to finish. Now one more, model dot static view object, new view object. The name is tour type. It is of type static list. Next, attribute is to type. It is of type string. Click OK. Next, key attribute. Next, give the values for the to type. It is self, and one more is package. Next, next, and finish. Now we need to create the page. Go to the view controller, new page. It is a blank page. Okay. You can drag the personal information form, because we are developing this page. So here drag this to this personal information to the AF form. Select it as an ADF form. Here row navigation. You can check which field should appear one by one. Tourist ID, first name, last name, then tourist type, address, children. We want this order. Otherwise you can reshuffle it by clicking up and down arrow. Click OK. So we need to enter the new record for that, because here the buttons are only to see the first, previous, next and last. If you want to enter the new record and save, we need two buttons. So here go to the data control, to is personal information, operations. Click on operations. Here create insert, bring to the panel group layout. Select it as an ADF button. Here you can change the label as add record. And one more button we need is commit. This operation is for all view objects common. So bring this commit here to the panel group layout. Select it as an ADF button, and here you can change the label it as save. And one more thing you need to change in the button property commit is in the behavior. In the behavior you need disabled property to be removed or false. Delete it and save to make this button enable. So here just we need to undeploy the application previous, and we need to deploy the page again, run the page. Okay, here the previous record it is showing. Now if you want to add the new record, here the fields are appearing. You can give the names. See here, these are the list of values here. Okay, I will check, because for to type here it is not showing the list of values. Let's see, static view object for to type. Here self and package. and in the view object to type, yeah, there is no list of values defined here. To type, we need to type. Okay, here to type we need to map UI hints, select it, click OK. Now save, refresh the page. Here, where is our page here? Just we need the previous application to be undeployed and run it again. Okay, to type self, add record. Okay, one thing we need to do is, because in the page, in the AF panel form layout, to restart it, to type is input text it is showing, like gender it is showing AF select input choice. Here it is showing we will do one thing, we will remove this page or we will create one more page. View controller, new page, I want to give the name as first page, click OK. You can do one more method, let's see. Here in the data control, go to the tourist personal information. What is the name? To type. Just after mobile number, this to type, delete this column and bring this column in the list of values. Here ADF LOV choice list. To type after let's save. And run the previous page. Yeah, now to type is appearing. See here. For tourist type, for to type and for gender. If you want to add the record, see here. This is tourist type, self or package and gender. We gave the column as combo box list of values as a to type, that's why it is showing the like this type. You can enter any tourist. want to save these many records, so you can click the save here. So this is the simple thing you need to create it. Otherwise, if you want like this combo box, or you want to, if you want to change the label again, means you need to remove this, delete this, and bring to type. Here list of values, ADF LOV input. Now undeploy the previous application and run the page again. This is the previous record. So if you want to add the record, now here if you change the LOV type, it is asking like this. Okay, better you take to type. Okay, let's create the new page. First.jsf. Here bring this, because we created row navigation. See here, you can see here this gender, ADF select one choice. You should check this time only when you are creating a table. This tourist type is select one choice and tour type is select one choice. Let's save this and deploy the previous application and run the first application. Sorry, first page. So here it is, there is only one record, or there are two records we saved. Here it is showing tourist type as single family, and here it is male and female, and here the two type is self and package. So this is the simple way to create the list of values. I hope this video is helpful. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.